I've made over $1 million selling ebooks online.
So I've made over $1.6 million selling simple ebooks online.
I made over $3 million by selling ebooks online that I don't write, and I'm gonna show you exactly the whole process.
Most people upload an ebook and wait for sales that never come. I did that too, until I learned how to turn a free PDF into a full-time income system. In fact, with just 2 ebooks, I made nearly $60,000, and I'm going to show you exactly how that's possible. If you've tried selling ebooks and only made a few dollars, you're not alone. The truth, the ebook itself isn't the product, it's the entry point. This isn't a get-rich-quick video, but it is a repeatable system that helped creators make a consistent $5,000 to $10,000 per month. You don't need to be an author, you don't need a big audience, and you don't need to show your face. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use one simple ebook to build an email list, create a faceless online business, and automate sales, all using free tools and AI. When I started, I spent weeks creating my first ebook. I uploaded it, waited, and nothing happened. But instead of giving up, I decided to treat that ebook as the first step in a system, not a product. That shift changed everything, and just from 2 simple PDFs, I built a simple engine that made me nearly $60,000, and it still runs today. The attention economy is saturated. People don't trust ads anymore, but they do trust value. That's why ebooks still work so well. They build authority and trust while collecting emails, your single most valuable asset in any online business. You've probably downloaded free guides or checklists that promise the world but never led anywhere. You got the PDF and then nothing. That's because most people stop at the ebook. They think the transaction is over. But for smart creators, that's where the real business begins. The money is made in the system behind the ebook. So let's break down that system. The exact framework that turns a simple PDF into a $10,000 per month business. This entire operation is built on a simple 4-step funnel framework. Get this right, and the rest becomes almost automatic. By the way, if you want to try this yourself, I've linked free resources in the description. Step 1 is to create a problem-solving ebook. Don't try to write a masterpiece. Your goal is to solve one specific problem for one specific person. Pick a micro niche with a sense of urgency. Think AI tools for freelance writers, not just a Zayn or 30-day meal plan for busy dads, not just healthy eating. The more specific, the better. Then use AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Notion AI to do the heavy lifting. Ask it to create an outline for your topic. Then ask it to write each chapter one by one. You're the editor, not the writer. Once the text is ready, design it quickly and professionally using a free Canva template or a tool like Designer R. This entire process shouldn't take you more than a few hours. I offer a free starter course in my school community where you can find much more detailed information. Step 2 is to build a simple funnel. This sounds intimidating, but it's just a series of web pages. It's not like it used to be. Today you have everything out of the box. You have to do very little, and you can get started right away. It goes like this: an opt-in page where someone gives you their email in exchange for your free ebook. After they enter their email, they land on a bridge page, which is the secret sauce. And from there, they are presented with an offer. That's it. A simple, clean path. And this is where most creators completely miss the opportunity. Imagine this: someone downloads your ebook. Before they even open it, they land on your thank you page. A short video plays, maybe just 30 seconds, where you thank them and invite them to your ecosystem. That's the magic of a bridge page. It turns attention into connection. I'll make sure to put a link in the description where you can download the exact funnel template I use. And if you want to see how this system connects with YouTube, I'm showing it all inside my free school community. It's launching soon. Step 3 is the bridge page magic. This is where 99% of people fail. They send someone the ebook and the relationship ends. The bridge page is where the relationship begins. After someone opts in for your ebook, they land on a page with either a short video of you talking, a faceless video with a voiceover, or even just simple text. Here you thank them for downloading the ebook and briefly introduce a related, high-value offer that solves the next problem they're going to have. You're not hard selling, you're connecting the dots for them, showing them the next logical step in their journey. Step 4 is email automation. Your ebook gets them in the door. Your emails are what turn them from a curious lead into a long-term buyer. As soon as someone downloads your ebook, they should be entered into a simple, automated email sequence. This is a series of 5 to 7 pre-written emails that go out automatically over the course of a week. These emails don't just sell, they educate, build trust, and then gently recommend the solution you introduced on your bridge page. This system works 24/7, turning new leads into customers while you sleep. A single ebook funnel is powerful, but the real path to 10K a month online is by creating synergies. This means combining your ebook with other channels to create an ecosystem that feeds itself. Most people stop after setting up one sales channel. The winners connect 2 or 3 simple ones, and that's where the explosive growth happens. First, consider the faceless YouTube and ebook combination. This is a perfect match. You can create simple, faceless videos that teach small snippets of information from your ebook. For example, if your ebook is AI tools for creators, you can make short 2-minute videos on the best AI tool for video editing, or how to write a blog post in 5 minutes with AI. At the end of each video and in the description, you mention your free comprehensive ebook. Your YouTube channel becomes a passive lead generation machine, sending targeted traffic to your funnel every single day. Next is affiliate marketing integration. This is the fastest way to monetize your audience without creating your own product. In your ebook and your email sequence, you can include affiliate links to products or services you genuinely recommend. If your ebook is on AI tools for creators, you become an affiliate for those tools. When a reader clicks your link and signs up, you earn a commission. You're building an audience and earning recurring revenue from the very tools you're teaching them to use. This is a core component of how to make money selling ebooks without actually charging for the book itself. Don't worry about finding the right affiliate programs. I have various templates that you can get from me for free. Finally, think about your educational product funnel. Your free ebook is the first step. The next step could be a paid mini course, a bundle of templates, or even a monthly membership. The ebook acts as a lead magnet that qualifies your audience. The people who download it are telling you they have a problem. Your follow-up products are the premium solutions to that problem. Your ebook becomes the start of a digital ecosystem with multiple opportunities for a customer to invest in a solution. Now let's talk about traffic. A great funnel is useless if no one sees it, but you don't need a huge budget to get started. Let's focus on free, sustainable traffic methods. YouTube automation is my top recommendation. As we discussed, creating faceless tutorial or list style videos in your niche establishes authority and drives traffic directly to your ebook funnel via the link in your description. It's a slow burn, but it builds a long-term asset. Next, use TikTok and Instagram Reels. Create 15-30-second videos sharing one valuable tip, surprising stat, or quick tutorial from your ebook. The goal isn't to sell, but to create curiosity. End with a simple call to action like get my free guide at the link in my bio. Then repurpose your ebook into SEO blog posts. Expand each chapter slightly and publish it on Medium or your website to attract organic Google traffic. Once you've validated your funnel with free traffic and consistent sales, consider paid options. Running $5 to $10 a day in Facebook or Instagram ads can scale your results, but only after proving profitability. Remember, your ebook isn't just content, it's currency. You trade it for someone's email and attention, not likes or views. Your ebook gets the lead, but your email strategy creates income. To reach $10,000 a month, you need a system to convert subscribers into buyers. Use this 3-email formula. Email 1 delivers the ebook and pure value. No selling, just a warm welcome. Email 2 sent a day later teaches something new and softly recommends a tool or product, like your affiliate link. Email 3 sent on day 3 presents your main or high-ticket offer, explaining benefits and linking it to their problem. Build trust with a personal tone and stories. Your email list is your true digital asset, immune to algorithm changes and growing in value daily. To make this work, you'll need simple tools. For ebook creation, use Canva, Design Your R, or AI tools like ChatGPT or Notion AI. For your funnel, start free with Systemi.io, then upgrade to ClickFunnels if needed. For email, beginner-friendly platforms include ConvertKit, Behave, or GetResponse. I've linked resources below with templates and tool lists to save you weeks of setup. Here's how it works in real life. A creator makes a free ebook called Budget Home Studio Setups and adds affiliate links to microphones, cameras, and lights, earning commissions without a product. Another runs a faceless YouTube channel on productivity hacks, offering a free ebook, The 15-Minute Focus Method. The email sequence then sells a $97 mini course on beating procrastination, an automated faceless business built in under a week. To recap, create a simple ebook using AI, build a lead funnel, automate your emails, and drive traffic. This system can take you to $10,000 a month. Check the links below for free templates and a bonus guide to get started. If you're ready to build your own faceless system, you'll find free resources in the description, templates, guides, and tools to get started. And if you want to take it further, join my free school community, where I share how to connect YouTube, eBooks, and email into one automated ecosystem. You don't need a big audience or budget, just one system that works. Start with your first ebook and let automation do the heavy lifting. Everything starts with one simple ebook. Maybe yours is next.